Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by computing the following. That is a minus 3 plus 2 minus is equal to minus 8 and b part minus 4 minus 2 plus this is equal to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. What will the sum 8 in B represent? First we'll see the first part, right? Minus 3 means down and plus 2 means up. The monkey is here. Suppose the monkey is here, right? He goes down by 3 steps, that down. That is 1, 2, 3. He goes from here to here. The first move, that is minus 3. The second move, he goes from 4 to 2 and that is minus 2, right? From here also again goes 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. And from here he goes 2 steps up, that is it is minus 3. Up means 2 step, this is minus 2. And again from third part it goes 4 step, 1, 2, 3. And again 2 step, 1, 2. He goes from 6 to 4. And from 4 he will goes 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3. That means 7th. This is minus 3. And from 7 it goes up by 2 steps, that is 5. And from 5, 6, 7, 8. From 5 it will goes to 8. That is minus 3. And from here it goes to 6 again. That will be minus 2. And from 6, 7, 8, 9. From here it goes to here, that is minus 3. And this is minus 2 and this is also minus 2, right? Now you'll add all these and you'll get what we get, you see here, right? That is first one is minus 3, this is plus, up means plus, these are all plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, right? Now you are getting minus 3 in first step. A is minus 3 plus 2, this is plus 2, again minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 3 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, right? Now what we are getting, you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 18 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 10. We are getting minus 8. That represent minus 8, right? And here you see that minus 8 represent in A, minus 8 represents going down, represents going down by 80 steps, going down by 8 steps, by 8 steps. Now the second question, in this one 4 minus 2, this will 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 80 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? Now you see in second part, B 4 minus 2 plus this is equal to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 80 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? Now we'll see in the second step, this is the step, that is first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth, and this is ninth, right? In first step it goes 4 steps up, that is from here if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, that means from ninth step he goes to fifth step. And comes down 2 steps down, that is minus 2. Here see 1, 2, this is minus 2. Again he goes 4 steps up, third step, and again he goes down 2 steps, that is comes to fifth, and again 5 to 1, 4, right? That means we are getting this is plus 4, first one is plus 4, first jump, second jump is minus 2, second jump is minus 2, this one, third jump is plus 4, third jump is plus 4, fourth jump, first, second, third, fourth jump is minus 2, and fifth jump is plus 4. What we are getting, let's see. 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 minus 8. Right? That means we are getting 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 minus 2 2 minus 4. 12 minus 4, that is plus 8. Plus 8. And we see here that plus 8 represents going up by 8 steps. In B, plus 8 represents going up by 8 steps. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.